Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on profile, and if you scroll down a little bit you will find here the delete account option. Press on it and you can see this message appearing to you if you really are sure that you want to delete your account, and if you still want to proceed you can just press on yes, and you can see that they have successfully received your request to delete your Domino's account, and the account will be deleted within the next 24 hours. You can just press on OK and wait until your account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.